This video compares online banks and traditional banks to help you decide which type best suits your banking needs. Online banks operate entirely digitally without physical branches, while traditional banks have brick-and-mortar locations alongside digital services. Online banks usually offer higher interest rates on savings accounts because they have lower operating costs. They often charge fewer or no monthly fees. Account access is available 24/7 through apps and websites. Opening an account is faster and more convenient, often completed entirely online with innovative digital features like instant transfers and budgeting tools. Traditional banks provide personalized in-person customer service at physical branches. They allow you to deposit and withdraw cash directly in the branch. They offer a wide range of financial products beyond basic accounts, including loans and investment services. Many customers feel a sense of trust and security with established banks. They also support more complex banking needs with knowledgeable staff. Online banks do not have physical branches, which can be a downside if you prefer face-to-face service. Cash deposits may be difficult or limited, often requiring third-party services. Customer support is mainly provided online or by phone, which may not suit everyone. Some specialized services may be missing. Reliable internet access is essential to use these banks. Additionally, out-of-network ATM usage might come with fees. Traditional banks tend to have higher fees and require minimum balances. Interest rates on savings accounts are usually lower. Branches typically operate during limited hours, reducing convenience. The account opening process is often slower due to paperwork and verification. Mobile banking options may be less convenient compared to online banks. Branch visits may involve waiting times during busy hours. Online banks generally have lower fees or none at all, combined with higher interest rates on savings and deposits. However, fees may apply for withdrawing cash from ATMs outside their network. Traditional banks commonly charge monthly maintenance fees and have lower interest rates. They also have a wider variety of fees, including ATM, overdraft, and service fees. Online banks provide a smooth experience through user-friendly mobile apps and websites. Customers receive instant notifications and digital support. However, there is limited face-to-face interaction. Traditional banks offer personalized service through branch visits and phone support. While this can feel more supportive, it may also involve longer wait times. Choosing the right bank depends on your personal needs and lifestyle. Select an online bank if you value higher interest rates, lower fees, and convenient digital access. Choose a traditional bank if you prefer in-person assistance, easy cash access, and established security. Both options have their strengths, and knowing what matters most to you will help make the best choice.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.